Okay, everybody. Today we're going to be answering actually 4 questions on composite functions on Khan Academy. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully, I get them all right. So we have question 1, and this seems a bit mean, but anyway. So f of n is root of 10n. Okay. And g of n is n squared minus n. Okay. So, what is f of g of 10? So, that should be nice and easy. So, the first thing we're going to do is find g of 10, which is going to be 90. So, we know that g of 10 equals 90 because 10 squared is 100 and then minus the 10 is 90. So, that's that. And then we're going to have the f part. So, then we're going to have f of 90, which equals 10 root n. Root 10n. So, we're gonna have... How's this gonna work? Wait, isn't it just 30? Isn't the answer just 30, I swear? Okay, so 90 times 10 is 900. And then root of 900 equals 30. Yeah, okay, that was easy. Oh, thank God, it appeared as a tick. Last time I did this, it appeared as a cross for some reason. Given that f of n is negative n squared, so I'm a bit confused what you mean by that. Like, does n stay negative? Oh my God. Anyway, I'm just gonna presume that n stays negative. H of n equals 3n minus 11. Who tried to evaluate f of h of 7, but he made a mistake. I think you're the one who made a mistake. He sounds kind of Asian, to be honest. Okay, anyway, here is his work. Step 1, blah, 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 blah. H of 7 equals 3 times 7 minus 11. That equals 21 minus 11, which is 10. Yep, that's fine. Step 2, f of h of 7. So f of h of 7, that works. F of 10, that works. F of 10 equals minus... Yeah, okay, so basically what I said, it's not going to stay as 100. That's a genuine mistake that I forgive, because the question's not very clear. I mean, they should have brackets around the n squared, because that would make it so much more clearer. But anyway, that's the only mistake that he could have made. Yeah. Anyways, we have this. You might need calculator. Oh, lost it. Never mind. Anyways, question 2, there was no working out needed. Question 3. So g of y is y minus 15 over y. My bad. Okay, whatever. And then h of y is minus 3y. Okay, that should be easy. So first we find out g of 5. So 5 minus 15 minus 10 over 5 gives us minus 2, right? Yeah. So we know that g of y is minus 2 because of what I just said, being like y is 5 minus 15, which gives us minus 10. Minus 10 over 5, because y is substituted for 5 instead. So minus 10 over 5, that funnels down to minus 2 over 1, which is just minus 2. So quite simple, really. The second step is h of minus 2. So we have h of minus 2 and minus 2 times minus 3, because we substitute the minus 2 in for the y, gives us 6. So h of y... that's what I meant, right? I'll just keep it as that. I've got bad working out, but okay, whatever. Anyway, h of y equals minus 6. No, not positive 6. That's what I meant, guys. Positive 6. Yes, okay. Let's go 4 for 4. G of m equals m cubed. H of m equals m squared over m plus 3. So what is g of h of m? H of 6. There we go. So the first thing that we'd have to do is the bottom one, which, I mean, just look at it. It's a monstrosity, bro. What can I say? Anyway, so 6 squared 36 over 9, which gives us 4. Okay, pretty easy actually. H of m is 4, and then we'll see the other one, g of h of 6, which would be, so that was 4 cubed gives us 64, I think. So 64, yay, full marks, yay.